really good to volunteer. You do not need to be paid, but I know the people will respect you and also learn a lot from you. All of us were empowered. We learned a lot. So I'm encouraging everyone to also participate. In the beginning po, talagang mahirap kasi palagi kong sinasabi sa kanila, oo, volunteer, wala ka. Pero I love to do volunteerism because parang masaya ako na mayroon akong natulungan, masaya akong may ginagawa na para sa kanila, para sa bayan. My most unforgettable experiences when we were implementing the water system. Ang mga households maraming nag-aaway kasi kunti ang tubig nila na darating sa kanyang bahay. The source was too far and we have to hike 11 kilometers away from the barangay. Pero after the Calahisids na completed na yung water system, okay na kasi all households are already supplied with water. SUMIA is the battle cry of the Municipal LGU of Bisao. SUMIA is an acronym. Letter S stands for Sustainable Development. In that is where community-driven development belongs. Letter U, there must be unity within the municipality. We also have letter M. We encourage a good management. Next is letter Y. We aim for high yield in every endeavors we do. And then letter A, we have to achieve a resilient community which involves the youth, and the community must be empowered and must be healthy. I was so thankful because I was selected to represent the Philippines. Naisip ko sa sarili ko na siguro marami akong nagawang mabuti at pwedeng i-share sa mga iba. I was just praying that I will receive my reward in heaven, having volunteered for so many years. Sa next generation ng community volunteers, gaya ninyo, dyan din ako nagsimula. Being a community volunteer is a big responsibility. Para kayong heroes ng inyong komunidad, buo ang puso at hindi naghihintay ng kapalit. Dahil dito, hindi lang tayo volunteer, leader din tayo sa ating komunidad. Lagi rin nating tatandaan ang tatlong prinsipyo ng Calahisids: participation, transparency, at accountability. Unang-una, participation. We need to be fully involved sa sitwasyon ng ating community. Pangalawa, transparency. Sa tulong ng Calahisids, nabigyan tayong ng pagkakataong hawakan ang pundo ng komunidad. Responsibilidad nating gamitin ito ng tama. Pangatlo, accountability. Responsable tayo sa ating mga proyekto at lahat ng ating ginawa ay para sa ikabubuti ng ating mga kapitbahay at kabarangay. Sa lahat ng community volunteers at nagbabalak palang maging community volunteer, sana maging ilaw kayo para sa pagbabago at pag-asa ng inyong komunidad. Hindi yan madali pero sigurado ako, hindi tayo magsisisi. Lagi ninyong tatandaan, as a Calahisids volunteer, mahalaga kayo sa pag-unlad ng inyong barangay. Good luck at mabuhay ang bagong henerasyon ng community volunteers.